find out in this sorry about that. Autism and what triggers my sensory issues, aka sensory anxiety tells myself. And I'm currently outside. There's people around me, even outside. So far, good. Let's see if I can make it through the whole event. I'll document this as I'll document stuff and document how I'm doing. This is my first autism video, so a little nervous, but I got this. So normally I mask it, which that's pretty much what I'm doing now, but I kind of get overwhelmed in crowded places, so we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Stay tuned for part 2. Peace.